So how we can mark an invoice as paid? So if you have received money in your bank, or if you have paid money out to suppliers and you want to mark those invoices as paid. So let's start with sales invoices. Go on left hand side, click on sales invoices, and for example, sales invoice from Lucy. So customer invoice 1 has been paid. Lucy have sent us money. Click on that invoice, and at the bottom there is add payment. And then it's where we can decide, example, if Lucy have paid only partial payment, amend this amount to, let's say, 50, and select the bank account. So either this money was paid in Lloyds, my bank account, or in TransferWise. Let's say I was saying Lloyds, and I can add a note, let's say part 1 out of 3, and click save. This will record payment of £50 out of £150 here. So when we go to sales invoices, we can see a comment saying partially paid. So when we go back to sales invoices and there is another payment that came in, this time there was £75 and it was part 2 out of 3. Click save. It records second payment here. So from 150 there is still 25 left for her to pay. So when you click add payment, you will see outstanding balance, what's still left to pay. When we go to sales invoices, it's still showing as a part paid, which is correct. So this is how you can mark customer invoices paid. How we can mark purchase invoices or supply invoices as paid. So go to purchase invoices, and let's say electricity bill being paid now. The same way, click add payment at the bottom, and 46.58 being paid in full from select bank account from which, and if you have notes add, otherwise just click save. And this would record a payment made on 12th of April, and also invoice is showing as paid. For book, click on book, and if payment was made on not today but was made on Friday when invoice was issued, so we can put there. If example we paid only deposit of £100, add it here, and it will record with description deposit £100. So there is still £54.99 for us to pay. So when we go back to purchase invoices, we can see that it's partially paid, that we have paid only part of it. Let's go back to invoice, add payment, and it's only showing what amount has left to pay. So for example, yesterday we paid £54.99 and click save, and it's recorded £54.99. So when we go back to purchase invoices, we can see this invoice has been paid now. So this is a way how you can mark as invoices, either sales invoice or purchase invoice, as paid on KashFlow.